Hey everyone, I'm Keen. Today I'm going to walk you guys through setting up my Kubernetes cluster design. 1 master node and 3 worker nodes. Out of those, 1 worker node will act as the routing node using HA proxy ingress. Here's the IP information for each node. Each machine is configured with a 40 GB disk, 2 vCPUs, and 4 GB of RAM. Alright, let's SSH into each server in the cluster real quick. I've already got all the servers powered on. I covered how to create them in a previous video, so check that out if you need it. I'm going to follow the official Kubernetes documentation for setting up the cluster. First thing we need to do is install K8S. I'm creating a bash script file to make the whole installation process clean and fast. Important, you should create this same script on all nodes in the cluster. As the docs explain, we need to disable swap so kubelet can run properly. Run free H to check your RAM and swap. If swap shows 0, you're good to go. Next, we need to enable IP forwarding and make sure IP tables is working correctly. Now let's install a container runtime. There are several options: Containered, Creo, Docker Engine, but today I'm going with Containerd. According to the docs, we can install it easily using apt. After installing, we need to reconfigure Containerd so it uses systemd as the C group driver. Now we can go ahead and install KUBM, Kubelet, and Cubic L. That's it for the base packages. Now copy the contents of this script over to the same bash file on all your worker nodes. Make it executable, chmod plus x. Then run the script to install everything. The installation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, just hang tight. Once it finishes, you should see output similar to this. Now let's initialize the control plane, aka the master node. Wait for the control plane to come up fully. After the control plane is initialized, copy the kubeconfig file into your user's home directory so you can actually use Cubic L without sudo. Also, very important, save the kubdm join command it prints out. You'll need it shortly to join the workers. Run Cubic L get nodes to see the status of your cluster nodes. By default, all nodes will show as not ready at first. To fix that, we need to install a Container Network Interface (CNI) plugin. In the past, most people used Calico or Flannel. Today I'm choosing Cilium because it uses eBPF under the hood, which gives much faster networking performance. Before installing Cilium, we need to install Helm first. Now Cilium is deployed. I'm also going to install the Cilium CLI and Hubble UI for observability. Give it a minute or two for Cilium to fully start up. Check the pod status. Once you see all Cilium pods running, check kubectl get nodes again. All your nodes should now be ready. Next up, let's install HA proxy ingress. First, we'll taint this routing node so only ingress-related pods can run on it, no regular workloads. Add the HA proxy ingress Helm repository. I want to customize HA proxy a bit, so let's pull the default values file. In the values file, around line 417, remove the quotes or backslashes, then uncomment lines 418 and 419. These control the ports for the HA proxy service. Then, around line 523, set the external IP address to the IP of your routing node right pointing arrow, in my case that's 192.168.23.44. And that's it. As you can see, all the pods and nodes are up and healthy. We've successfully built the Kubernetes cluster. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If I made any mistakes or if something needs correcting, please drop a comment below.